I want to show you how to set up your 30-inch pasting machine. I have in front of me a 30-inch Honeybee, and you can get them from Advance online or the online paint store. Those are the only two places I know where you can buy these machines. So I just want to show you the basic setup. I'm not crazy about this system because these are removable and they're a pain in the neck to get them on and off. But if you leave them on and you store the machine with these in place, they're flimsy and they could bend. So I don't like it for that reason. But this is what you use for residential wall covering. So I want to show you my glue. I have Romans 880, but I do not have Romans 880 in here undiluted. I want to show you what we do. That is diluted Romans 880. Okay? And what did I dilute it at? 70% Romans, 30% H2O. Okay? I want to come around. Please come around. We're going to open up the wallpaper machine. Check its functionality. Okay? This piece is a screed, maybe Dan Childs, who's one of my YouTube followers. Really good guy, very knowledgeable. Maybe he could talk about this screed. I called it a screed. It governs the amount of glue that goes on your wall covering, and it's adjusted with this apparatus here. And so the space in between my roller and this screed either widens or gets closer to the roller with the maneuvering of this gadget here. And that gives you the thickness of your glue. I added water to it, and so my machine is working. I have a stopper so that my glue doesn't fall out into the floor area. And so I think I'm ready to go. Put my machine down. Unlike my paste mate, this does not clip into place, it just gravity holds it in place. Okay, so I'm going to take my diluted 880, and I emphasize that it's diluted so that you don't think that 880 comes out this thin. And so now we're ready to roll our wall covering. When you first get one of these machines, these, I would say, are the most unfriendly user-based machines on the market. And I would bet they were made in the good old USA. You don't know how to use it. There's basic instructions on the front of this thing. By the time you figure it out, just go to YouTube and ask somebody who does it for a living. Now, you want to start your roller. Okay, we want to get the glue on the roller. So that when we put the paper on it, we have glue starting right from the beginning. Because if you don't, you're going to have a dry piece of wallpaper, right? So this is what I mean by that. We're hanging a nice leather, by the way. Okay. Now you see these tabs? This keeps your wall covering from falling into the glue. Close up the machine. And basically, this is what you got. You're simply going to pull your wall covering this way. And when you've determined you've had enough wall covering that comes out, see, that's a nice amount of glue. So the space that I was telling you about a couple of minutes ago, this space is very nice. I like it. And you want to inspect your wall covering after it comes out of the machine to make sure that you have universal coverage. If you don't, you need an applicator or brush until you get the first piece through. so that it's all working nice and uniformly. And there you have it. The only other thing I'll show you is that when you have enough wall covering, after you measure, I don't have a counter on this one, you know, a number reader. You're going to place your knife in this thing, slice it straight across. It gives you a nice straight cut right into this groove. See that groove? Just show them closer so they can see it. See that? And then I cut my wall covering. That's how you move quickly on jobs. You invest in one of these machines. You can get one of these brand new, probably for around 600 bucks. I paid $200 from it, from a guy on Craigslist. And so now I have 3 pasting machines, 2 62-inch and 1 30-inch. There you have it. If you have any questions about this, do you need this to do your wallpaper? No, I started out using a roller and a table. And sometimes I don't even like getting this thing set up. I got to be honest with you. But I'm doing it here. I want to use the machine. It does make the job go quicker. Any questions? Please click on like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.